Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have iPhone, iPad and sometimes you totally forget your iPhone password, so how you can unlock your iPhone with the help of iMobile platform. Introducing AnyUnlock software. Using this software, you can very easily unlock your iPhone instantly. How to do it, where is available, what is the process, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. Simply first of all, I just open here Chrome browser and put it this URL. I already added this URL link in video description. Look at this here, iMobile platform are introducing AnyUnlock, the software available for Windows and Mac as well. Unlock any iPhone and iPad password instantly. Unlock any screen passcode, remove Apple ID, iCloud lock, bypass MDM restriction, cover more locks. Fast and easiest way, very easy, fast and easy unlock in 3 simple steps, not tech skill needed. How you can unlock your password? The software available for Mac and Windows as well. I just simply click here and download the software. First of all, the complete iPhone and iPad unlocker for all types of lock, like here unlock Apple ID, unlock screen passcode, bypass iCloud activation key, bypass MDM lock, remove SIM lock, unlock screen time passcode, and so many features they are introducing in one software. Using this one, you should unlock very easily your iPhone. Try now today. All types of information they are mentioning here, you should go through one by one. We just simply click here. After download the software, I just simply click and just simply double click, open. So unlock iPhone password unlocker. We need to download first of all this one, remove Apple ID, any code, bypass activation lock. So here I just simply, installation is successfully done. I just simply go through here app section and AnyUnlock application is here. So this is the application framework. AnyUnlock iPhone password unlocker, unlock screen password, unlock Apple ID, bypass iCloud, bypass MDM, remove SIM, unlock screen time passcode, remove iTunes backup encrypted, and so many features they are introducing. As a demo point of view, I select here bypass iCloud activation. You can do same process for each and every point. Before start this demonstration, we need to activate this one. I already purchased this subscription for 1 year. If you want buy this one, so 1 year subscription price is the 460 DKK. As an activation point of view, I just simply click here and put it here my ID and password. Activation is successfully completed here. As a demo point of view, I select here bypass iCloud activation authentication. After clicking there bypass iCloud activation log, it can be following issue. I just simply click here start now. Afterwards, please connect your iPhone, iPad, iPod, connect your iPhone. So I need to connect here my iPhone first of all. The software are helping you to support devices like iOS 12 to iOS 16.7 version. If you downloaded or install in your iPhone, then you can very easily remove the password which mobile model they are supporting accordingly. If you have iPhone S, 6 plus S, 7, 8, 8 plus X SE first generation, or iPad and iPod as well, so accordingly you can very easily remove the password. So I just simply use my another phone and connect lightning cable. Afterwards, simply click here bypass now. We need to spend here a couple of minutes to complete this process, like a 0 to 100%. Bypass iCloud authentication lock, and afterwards here successfully bypass iCloud activation lock is bypassed successfully. Afterwards, you just simply click done and come to your iPhone screen, and your iPhone screen exactly look like this. Data and privacy, continue. You can set up your own Face ID password here, create your own password, and welcome to your iPhone. And afterwards, you can create your own Apple ID and put it there and access your iPhone very easily. Using this process, you can very easily bypass iCloud activation lock. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.